Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick history lesson on one of the most fascinating events of the past. Let's go. Cut to historical footage images. History is full of moments that shape the world as we know it. From the fall of ancient civilizations to the rise of powerful empires, every era tells a unique story. But today, we're focusing on one key turning point, the Industrial Revolution. Black and white footage of factories and steam engines in the late 18th century. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. This era saw the shift from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses, driven by new inventions like the steam engine. Show images of steam engines and early factories. It transformed economies, communities, and even daily life. Cities grew rapidly as people left farms for factory jobs, and machines began to replace manual labor. Cut to visuals of workers in factories, but, of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The revolution came with challenges: long working hours, poor conditions, and a new wave of social issues that would change how we think about work and progress. Cut to images of early labor protests. Narrator voiceover. In the end, though, the Industrial Revolution paved the way for modern technology, changing how we live and interact with the world. And the ripple effects can still be felt today. Cut to a closing shot of modern cities, factories, and technology. Narrate voiceover. And that's a wrap on today's History Bite. What event would you like us to dive into next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Outro music plays. End screen with subscribe button.